Jangan stop na talaga.
Sorry.
At palabi ka na po Christmas tree.
Mga gwapa! Mga gwapa, nagpalibot. Mga feeling gwapa, mga feeling gwapa. Mga gwapo, ay. Sige, hay. Hay, day. Sige, hay, day.
Buy ka na.
Yan naman. Ayaw, huy.
Taga Gino.
Ganda, lagi rin mga kasabot.
Wala ka na sila tinabos ba? Kumisa ba?
Dira magong kamera, oh.
Sa po niyo, ay ako marbe. Butat, marbe.
Ayaw, day.
Gira pa ni, patay na ta. Christmas plastic.
Smile, everybody smiles.
Yuna.
Smile. Ito baka yung mga wiran. Nadaot na rin lang.
Ednalen.
Pauli na lang mo yun.
Sino first?
Be with my family and pray. People who lost their loved ones so thankful to be happy. And I wish to have unity, peace, love, hope in the world. Even if there are many calamities happening. Good morning. I wish in coming Christmas that I would have all the people in the world and especially to my family. I wish in the whole world that the people that coming Christmas is a good time.
Hi everyone, wish you all a Merry Christmas. May the joys of the season fill your heart with goodwill and cheer. May the times Christmas glory and more shines as bright smiles across the miles. Advance Happy New Year Christmas.
I wish in this coming Christmas that all Filipinos have happy and peaceful Christmas. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year, Church.
First and foremost, I would like to greet Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. My Christmas wish is to be the victims of earthquake and Typhoon Yolanda will recover and move on to the calamity. Thank you and God bless.
Good morning. The Christmas is fast approaching. My wish for my Christmas is all the barangay in our world have peace, friendship, honest, and helping each other and believe in God Almighty.
Hi. First of all, I want to greet you Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. My Christmas wish is to be with my family and may all the victims of the earthquake and Typhoon Yolanda may directly to move on, and that's all. And Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year.
Christmas with my family and for the victims of the Yolanda and the earthquake. I want them to move on and be happy.
Hi, Merry Christmas. My Christmas wish would be that all Filipinos that was affected by Typhoon Yolanda and the earthquake can move on and live from the calamities and tragedies that happened to them. I hope that they will have a happy and memorable Christmas. May God will help them. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hi everyone, my wish for Christmas is to have peace and unity. May all the victims of typhoon and earthquake have strength to move on of the past calamities. Since it is Christmas, it is the time of giving and helping to other people, especially those who need help. Because giving, helping, it is the way to other people that makes them happy.
My Christmas wish in life is to have a nice life. And sa mga napiktuhan sa Baguio, Linog. Dito sila wala ng hope, to sa God.
Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. My wish is my kuya, makauli na siya sa Manila pag-uul kay may posibilidad na di siya makauli tungod sa nalinguan siya para makatrabaho. I wish that my diseases is nawa na kay it is so hard. and the victims of Yolanda and the earthquakes that they will recover and they will not be suffered then. That's all. Once again, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year.
Hi, Merry Christmas. I wish on Christmas that all victims of Yolanda will be on good place and much better they are in good new house. And I wish that they will have a good week in the Chihuahua. I wish on Christmas that we have a joyful and peaceful Christmas. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
My wish for this coming Christmas is I want to have unity, peace, and being careful to minimize accidents. And I want also all the people who were affected by the Typhoon Yolanda will be
Hi, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. My wish in this coming Christmas is I want to visit the victims of Typhoon Yolanda and I want also to visit the victims of earthquake to give them some relief goods, and I want also to spend my Christmas with my family. That will be once again Merry Christmas in the morning.
My Christmas wish is I want all the people in the world are happy, especially in summer and lately, even if they experience the Typhoon Yolanda. I wish also that my family are happy. I wish that all the people in the world are helping each other. I wish that there will be a world peace.
My wish for Christmas is to have a peace and unity to all people, especially those affected in the Typhoon Yolanda. I wish that Pasko is karang kompleto da. Gusto na makauli ang mama dahil sa buwan karang 27.
Hi everyone, we all know that love starts from our home. Neighborhood, community, our nation, and the whole world. Spread love to those people we met. Let everyone feel the love of Christ. May your life be colorful, magnificent, shimmering, and joyful. And as the spirit of Christmas spread in you, have a Merry Christmas and advance.
Hi everyone. I wish that all the people in the world have a world peace and loving and sharing to each other. And I want also to visit the victims of Typhoon Yolanda last November 8, 2013 in Tacloban Lake. That's it.
Hi, Merry Christmas. My Christmas happens to be with my family and to help the victims of calamities. I wish to have once again, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year.
Hi, first of all, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to all. My wish for Christmas is to visit the victims of Typhoon Yolanda in Tacloban Leyte. And I wish that we are complete when we celebrate our Christmas in our house. Again, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year.
First of all, Merry Christmas. My Christmas wish is to have a peace and unity, especially to our brother and sister in Tacloban affected in Super Typhoon Yolanda. That's all. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year.
My Christmas wish is to have a peace to our friends and our families, to help people, victims in Yolanda, to give food, water, and gifts to the people, victims in Yolanda. This
Hi, my Christmas wish is to be up with family during the Christmas. And also my wish is to help the victims of Typhoon Yolanda in Sama and Leyte. And I hope that we have more peace and love. That's all. And Merry Christmas. Advance Happy New Year.
Hi, my Christmas wish is that I want that all the victims of Bagyo Yolanda and earthquake will recover from the tragedy hit them last October 15 and November 8, and they will be happy in this coming Christmas. And for my family, I wish that we will be complete in celebrating our Christmas, and we will have hope, love, and peace in celebrating our Christmas. That's all.
My Christmas wishes my family and we are happy in our Christmas celebrating in our home. Thank you and Merry Christmas and Happy
Christmas and advance happy year. Ang wish karon maabot na Pasko. Gusto ko nga tabang ta sa napikuha sa Bagyo Yolanda. Katupong nakuanan sa lino. Gusto ko maghamang eskwela. Merry Christmas, charity.
My wish for coming Christmas is to be a complete family and happy celebration Christmas. And I wish to all people to operate and help the victims of super typhoon and earthquake. And I hope that there is a loving, caring, giving justice in the world.
Para moabot na Christmas na hatagan nga biktima sa Typhoon Yolanda o Philippines. Merry Christmas.
Hi! I wish for this coming Christmas is to be with my family, and I hope that we celebrate Christmas all together. And I hope too that the victims of Bagyo Yolanda may be recovered for the big tragedy, and we Bulacanons too may be recovered and move on for the big tragedy that happened in October. And I hope that we Charitinians, or not only Charitinians, but throughout the world, our wish become true. That will be all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rosalina Mayermi. My Christmas wish is to be with my family, to help other people who face the tragedies and calamities in our country. And I hope that we can learn what had happened, and I hope that even if there are a lot of calamities and tragedies happening to us, please don't forget to think the real meaning of Christmas. And that's what we all. Merry Christmas, advance.
Merry Christmas, Charitinians. We all know that Christmas is part of culture, and my Christmas wish is to spend my hours of my family to have a memorable experience in my life. And I hope that na ang biktima sa Typhoon Yolanda sa summer of 2018 o biktima sa limog gabi na sa tuna, makabangon ito sila para sa ilang future. And that's gonna be all. Merry Christmas. Have a nice day.
What are you doing?
Hi, church. Hi.
Good morning, everyone. My Christmas wish is based on the following situations. First is for my family. Second is for the people in the world. And third is for my Charitinians. For my family, I would like to wish them good health, good luck, prosperity, and happiness. For the nation, for the world, of course, world peace. And for my Charitinians, dili magpabuya. Okay? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
May wish in the coming Christmas, there are peace and love. We hope with each other. And the victims of Typhoon Yolanda, they have gift. Na really good. So, what is it?
Bawat Pasko'y may dalang himala, Malakas mang ulan, ito'y titila.
Usap, pagpapala, may kapiling ang nangungulila. Anumang lungkot, tayo'y aahon. May lunas sa sukat ng kahapon.
Sa isa't isa'y mayroong paglingap. Mga pangarap ngayon'y magaganap.
Laging masaya ang kwento ng Pasko.
Dahil sino ka man